Hey, today on Drift Live?
Powell will crash into the bushes.
Kuba will break the bolts.
Nixon will get his hand dirty.
I won't high-five you.
Miss. We're going to practice. We're going to burn rubber.
We'll have 3 sets per person. Is that enough for you? Yes. But we have ultra-narrow tires. 185.
165.
She's totally worn out at the bottom. Like really bad. We're going to get high on liqueurs from Markham Company. Well, and it's got about 8, actually a full 10. What do you say about the 185? I don't know. Oh, there it is! I'm scared, Powell. Calm down, damn it.
Kuba, how much pressure are you giving?
2.5 for now.
Tires are done. We're heading out.
Gruz formula.
Loaded with gear up to our ears. Kuba and I each have 3 sets of tires. I have a jack. Kuba took the cones. We're going to meet Borawski at a new spot to have fun with 3 cars and try the Gruz formula. What does he have? I don't know. Did you guys make it? Finally.
Alright, so go ahead and check out the route and you can start driving.
Where's the machine park? We need to get moving. Awesome place. I feel like a kid in Glycolam, Poland.
Polish driftla.
What's up?
We're setting up the equipment again. Nixon Production and Moto Asia join forces. Moto Asia.
Oh, there's the money. For you guys. Kazimierz.
He is now officially part of the Formula Gruz team. You can win these stickers in a contest if the guys organize one. So for sure these stickers will be up for grabs, but you have to organize a contest.
The first Formula Gruz competition is coming soon.
Exactly. Watch. Give us a thumbs up and subscribe.
Yes, sir. Can you tell us what car you drive? What kind of junker is it?
I drive a little compote car. The compote car features a 2.5 engine, 175 horsepower or so. I have a hydro handbrake. I also have a beautiful seat, comfortable, and a new steering wheel because the old one was it just bent a little, just a bit, and I used to sit in this position with the previous steering wheel like this. And now I sit normally. And I don't have any blocks on the pedals. I'm comfortable here because there are regular pedals. My old Gruz and the F30 both had wooden blocks instead. Actually, we have a secret spot in the south of Poland, and we have to drive all the way from Gdańsk to Krakow just to come here and drive. Yeah, a secret training center. I invite you for a ride. I think that's the exhaust. It's leaking. Never mind.
Just you, good agent, right?
The best.
I'm doing fine. Formula Gruz representative.
So, are we going?
No.
Alright, I'm getting in.
Yes, Pavel drove very close.
Yeah, I saw that.
Nice, nice.
Kuba, show us the sounds. Go ahead.
It's the start of the tour.
This is the start of the tour, ladies and gentlemen.
Later, there's a tire zone ahead of him, and you need to get as close as possible before it with a brief approach.
The first zone.
Here is the grass zone, a beautiful ditch. As you can see, you have to get as close as possible with the rear bumper here.
The second zone.
Which I really like to get into. Later. We nicely position ourselves here facing the tree.
Oh, the post fell over.
And here we have the third clip. The most challenging one is also our favorite to download. Set it up, Kuba. No, more over here. Clip 3. No. Here's a small circle. Let's hit it. Clip 4. No. Rondeczko. And a little slip to the right. Oh. Who did this?
I don't know them.
Was it you?
Who else? He was standing there safely.
All right, our clip broke. Okay.
We need to glue it.
Clip 5, Kuba's favorite. And from this clip, we teleport here. We stay as far outside as possible all the way to the end of the route. That's it in a nutshell.
And that's where the finish line is.
Finish line.
The first one, whichever.
First come, first served. That's what driving on farmland looks like. Is that how it looks, chasing someone driving an Ursus operator?
Because there you have to hit mass with mass, yes. And to land it well, you can't get aggro because then it's...
Shit. So what happens then?
Not great. Well,
I'm going.
Goodbye.
service time.
I can see.
No.
The best riding is fast riding.
How about you, Jesse? Did you shred anything today? Well,
I rode a bit, but now I'm waiting for Mr. Powell to change the wheels so we can ride together.
so what happened to Cuba?
I think some screws broke there. It's a bummer, but it should be fixed soon.
For sure.
For sure, as always.
That's right.
What did you fuck up again?
High heels. Not again, it's the first time.
There always has to be a first time.
This is the regular one. Well, I've already got it. She twisted it even deeper.
Awesome. We also need to wipe the window. Well,
I also have to wipe it and I'm a bit annoyed. Well,
That's funny.
We will now show you a ride without using the handbrake. Entry from the fish, then all the transitions with momentum.
First gear, second gear, fish.
If it's too slow for third gear, we keep going.
I'll grab you by the hood.
You'll get mud in your face.
Give me one more from the back.
All right. Oh, that was good.
That's what hardcore off-roading looks like.
If you want to keep up with our drifting, you can check out our Insta story on Instagram.
Here I'm drifting. Here, Kuba is drifting. Kuba. Kuba again. And here we're washing cars.
that's all for today's episode.
To stay updated, visit Facebook and Instagram.
If you like our videos, subscribe to this channel.